Hey YouTube, it's me Chandler. Hey YouTube, it's me Chandler for Draw Like a Nerd, and we're back with our Espeon here to start coloring it. First up, we're going to talk about what colors we're going to be using today in addition to our black and white. So for the main body color, Old Rose. For Espeon's eyes, Ultramarine Light. For the inside of Espeon's ears, we have Hyacinth Violet. For Espeon's ruby, we're going to be using Crimson Lake. Now, we begin. So, as we always do, we're going to go legs, body, tail, head. Body done. Man, it's looking like Mew, to be honest. If I ever drew Mew, I'd probably be using the same color. Oh well. This is my Espeon, and my Espeon is going to have this color. There's the tail. Already done with the body and tail, and Espeon doesn't have a mane to worry about, so we're just chugging on through here. You know, this pink, this Old Rose is getting mixed in with the pencil an awful lot. And you know what? I gotta say, I kind of like it. It gives my Espeon a bit of character, a bit more battle tested. I'm not actively trying to get in the pencil smudging in with the pink, but I'm not actively against it either. And that's it for the Old Rose. So let's do some ears. And now we're going to get into this ruby here. What we're going to do is first put in our white circle for the glare. We're going to color around that. And there's our coloring. All done, looking really good. I like how that ruby turned out really well. But, of course, it's just missing a little something. Something's off. We gotta get those lines in. And with that, our Espeon is finished. Pretty happy with it. Looks pretty good. So now we're just gonna get some background in there. Wow, there it is. Gotta love the magic of editing. So here is our Espeon all done, background added. There's just one thing left to do. There we go. All right, everybody. I will see you guys back in the room. Bye! And here's our finished product. Looks really good. You know, I feel like I really captured the essence of Espeon in this, so I'm really proud of it. So, you know what you got? You know what we got to do now? Put it on the wall. And there it is. You know, I just keep getting more excited with every new Pokemon we put up on the wall. So, if you liked today's episode, make sure you hit that like button. If you think other people would like this episode, make sure to hit that share button. And if you want to see next week's episodes, you gotta subscribe. I've got videos here every Tuesday and Thursday, but next week we're going to be changing up that schedule a little bit. I'm going to be uploading every day, Monday through Friday. The videos are going to be quite shorter, but they're going to help us get back on track with our own personal schedule. All right? I'm Chandler. You're the best, and this is Draw Like a Nerd. Bye!